Hello and welcome to today's meditation. Sorry, I'm a few minutes late. I'm having trouble with my green screen, but you guys know I always have something going on. So let's just get started. This week I'm going to be focusing on the power that comes from the different archangels. We're actually going to meditate on different ones, starting with Michael because he's the most well-known and the easiest for us to remember. As always, we're going to enter into meditation using the Lord's Prayer and the prayer of protection. But we're also going to add, once we get into that nice, sacred, quiet place that we meditate to get to, I'm going to repeat a very simple, Archangel Michael, help me, help me, help me. And I'd like you to say the same thing. Even if you softly say it out loud, there's more power, but you don't have to. You can keep it to yourself. As always, we'll end with the chime. So as to break the silence, we'll close with the 23rd Psalm. But just before closing, I have this really nice prayer of how to call on Saint Michael. So we're going to use that, then close with the 23rd Psalm. We probably don't need the 23rd Psalm, but it's my habit. Okay, we're a little behind schedule, but that's all right. We're going to get right in there. Let's take a deep breath and begin to relax. Close your eyes. Take another deep breath. And invite yourself to relax even further. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let us scan our bodies now and notice if there's any tension going through. If you feel any tightness, invite that part of your body to relax and let go. Let us bring our attention now to our hearts. Let us feel our hearts get softer. Our hearts become more welcoming. Our hearts become more open to the divine. And in this place of our heart, we call forth the mighty Archangel Michael. Lord Michael before, Lord Michael behind, Lord Michael to the right, Lord Michael to the left, Lord Michael above, Lord Michael below, Lord Michael, wherever I go. I am his love protecting here. I am his love protecting here. I am his love protecting here. Let us sit in this protective field of Saint Michael and appreciate and acknowledge all that he offers simply by calling upon him. Sorry, I will begin with we go back into our hearts. We ask Saint Michael to accept our appreciation for leaving us with so much strength and protection. We bring our attention fully into our bodies and we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thanks for joining me this morning. Always seems like Mondays are a little rough around the edges. The rest of this week we will be doing other archangels. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. I did say we were going to end with a certain prayer. Instead, as soon as we went into meditation, I heard say that prayer. So that's why I ended up saying that prayer. For those of you who want to hang on for a second, I will explain. When you say I am, it is that I am that is God, that is within you. I am that I am is the name of God. The second I am, there is the great I am, that I am is the second I am is that is us. So God exists that we may exist. And God exists that he can still exist within us. So when we say I am, and we just say I am love, we're referring to the God love within us. Okay, have a great day. Love you all. See you tomorrow.